Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox something really special, which is this one. So this is a BMW M3 wagon, and this is a super treasure in this particular case. I think this is from P case if I'm not wrong, because I did unbox this normal variant of this particular casting. I personally loved it because of the detailing on this one. So luckily I was able to get a super treasure version of this. I was looking for this for some time. So luckily I was able to get this. So I bought this for MRP, which is 179. So let's unbox and see how this one actually looks. I need to see whether I have that version anywhere near handy. If it is not, the normal version is not here, then I won't be able to showcase that to you guys again. So if you guys remember, and I usually unbox this super treasure during this 1000 2000 subscriber special kind of thing. So recently I missed that out because I didn't get that much. So here is the STH logo, you can see, and here is the card art. So when it is a STH, you can see this, even the wheels on this one that matches this STH wheels here. You can easily find that out in that way also. Okay, let me just put this aside. So here is the casting itself. So again, this is not Spectra flame paint job. That is actually a bit costly, so they are not doing that nowadays for main lines. Even on silver line series, you need to get this RLC kind of series to actually get the Spectra flame paint job. These are somewhat this glossy paint job, that's it. But compared to the normal ones, this looks really nice. Okay, so the detailing on this looks good. And okay, so when it is an STH, you will be having this rubber wheels. That's what we are having here. These are rubber wheels and this glossy finish here. And you can see this acrylic insets for headlights here. That looks really cool. Honestly, this completes this entire casting, being the STH. So you can see the TH logo here, and there is this acrylic tail light as well. And you can see this exhaust detailing here. The chassis doesn't have much of a detailing, but the exhaust detailing is there and it looks really cool. So the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic. The wheels are actually plastic with rubber on top. So that looks really nice, and the trim on this actually matches with this livery here. That is really beautiful, and it has interior detailing to it. The half roll down window on this one, but they went with the full black tint, which I personally don't like. They could have went with clear on this one. It would have looked really nice. But anyways, it has rear view mirror as well. That looks really awesome. So it has actually all the detailings and it looks really beautiful. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. 31 grams, not bad. Okay, let's see if it rolls. No, it doesn't roll at all. Okay, so anyway, it has rubber wheels, so it is not going to roll. I was hoping it would roll at least a little bit halfway through the track, but didn't roll at all. Okay, so let's rate this casting. So back then I don't remember whether I actually rated the STH. So maybe we need to start somewhere, right? So let's rate this one. So when it comes to STH, I'm not going to take rolling as aspect at all. So I'm just going to talk about the detailing and anything is missing there, and rest of the things apart from the rolling part, you can say. So for this casting, I would give a 10 out of 10. This actually has everything you want in a casting. So yeah, 10 out of 10, solid 10 out of 10. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.